This is Locksmith Silva here, and I have this M-5 master lock. I kind of like these locks, but not to protect anything with good value. But I am gonna pick it, use top of the key wrench. I picked it many times out of camera, but when it comes down to camera, it makes me look bad. As you can see, it's locked. I do these videos because these locks are not to protect anything with value. And that's why I try to create conscience on people here. Not so people learn how to steal. Because I don't want to teach anyone how to steal, which, oh, I got it picked. Got it picked. M5 are not really safe locks, but, it's picked. I just want to let you know, this is Locksmith Silva. Be safe out there with this COVID-19. It's very dangerous. Have to pray a lot that God will protect us and guide us through these circumstances. Thank you very much. Be safe. Do not steal. And God bless.